Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Renee Roxanne, back at it again with another nail video. If you have not already, please like, comment, and subscribe and ring that notification bell. Today I will be demonstrating how to achieve these fun, bright Tankini yellow dip powder nails. If you're ready to see this set, let's get right into it. The first thing I have is a nail buffer, and I'm using the softest gridded side to get the shine off of my nails. Now I'm using the end of the stainless steel nail file to push back the cuticle. I'm using the Kiss Powerflex brush on nail glue to adhere the false nails to mine. With a curved nail clip, I am cutting down the curved portion of the false nails so that they can sit better. Apply the glue to the false nails and wait 5 seconds and apply it firmly onto your nail. Then I'm trimming the ends with the nail tip clipper. I'm using a 240 grit sanding band to make the fake nail and my nail flush with each other, but don't sand down your natural nail. I'm using a fluffy brush to dust off the nails. Next, I'm using the Modelones Nail Dehydrator and I'm applying it to the natural nail. This will allow for the removal of natural oils and to help the powder adhere. If you skip this step, you will experience cracking, lifting, and a shorter nail set. I'm using the Modelones 2-in-1 base and top coat. And I'm applying the base horizontally at the midpoint of the nail to build the apex. We do put a lot of stress and pressure on this area, and it's likely to break the longer that your nails are. You just want to make sure that your nails are secure. I'm pouring the powder and then brushing off with that fluffy brush. I'm applying our first layer at the midpoint of the nail and staying away from the corners. I'm applying it all the way down the length of the nail and applying thin, even layers. Cap the tip as well. I'm using a nail recycler scoop to pour that powder. Hold the finger at a 45-degree angle, allowing the powder to waterfall off of the nail. Then tap away. Make sure to tap your finger and then brush away the extra dust. Use a fluffy brush to get rid of the dust. Now for the second coat, apply the base just a little higher than the first and bring it down to the tip. Tap the dust from the finger and brush the dust away. Now I'm applying the third coat right above the second. Again, we are making these layers as even and thin as possible. We don't want bulky nails. I'm pouring the powder and then brushing off with that fluffy brush. With a toothpick, I'm cleaning around the lanula of the nail to make sure it isn't stuck to the cuticle or on the sides of my skin. For the fourth coat, I'm applying it right above the third coat without flooding that cuticle, or the product will bond to your skin. I'm pouring multiple layers of the powder all over my nail just to make sure it is well coated and that it is ready for the activator. Make sure to truly get that extra dust off of your nails and under your nails as well. I'm applying the Modelones activator all over the nails, making sure not to miss any sides of it, and the tips as well. So these are our nails after they're done drying, and this is the hand that I've filed off camera. Look how clean these nails are. So I'm not fibbing you guys, just stay tuned for what's to come for this filing process. It is so simple. Now I have two things here, my diamond file and my sanding block. So I'm just taking the hard grit of the nail file and holding it the corner of the nail, and I'm just taking those buff sides down. So I'm just filing until it is nice and smooth, as well as on the other side. And then while you're filing, you just want to take it to the tip and create that shape that you desire. I am now taking the file and going onto the sides of the nails and just brushing away at the bulkiness. Anything that stands out or is uneven, we're just filing that away. And we're filing down that tip as well. Now with the sanding block, I'm using the hardest grit and I'm going straight over the nails, focusing on the sides just to bring down anything that stands out. Now back away from the cuticle area and just sand down that apex and the sides and work your way down to the tip of the nail. I'm now using the medium part and I'm going a long ways onto the nail just to give it some length and definition instead of a weird rounded look. It's gonna give that nail a nice even look. Now with that softest side, we're just going to smooth out the nail, and this will hide and correct any imperfections. It makes the nails look so flush and clean. And just like that, ladies, it's finished. Super easy filing. This is what happens when you apply nice thin layers. So we still have that nice curve, but it's a nice thin curve. I don't like thick nails. Now we are back and all of our nails are completely filed down. They look like twin sisters on each side. I'm using the 2-in-1 Modelones base and top coat. It is great for the top coat as well. This dries in less than 60 seconds. I am going all over the nail, avoiding that cuticle area just so it doesn't flood. We are taking that clear down the shaft of the nail and then capping the tips, and look at that beautiful gloss. Gorgeous. I've got this little Dollar Tree nail dryer which has been working phenomenally, and I love using this to get my nails dry. After 60 seconds, I'm taking my cuticle oil and applying it all over the cuticle and using a little brush to rub that in. And look how wonderful these nails look. Honestly, they look like my natural nails. They are so sleek and just wearable for all seasons. Tap into these nails, ladies. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in the next nail video. Bye for now.